Hello guys, Peter here, Piotr Fisner from Inte.Team from Right to Repair UK. Guys, that's the Polaroid we were playing with the other day, and I'd like to show you I've attached the USB light. So I don't know if you can see it clearly, but as I said, I need to open this part here. So we've got a T-con board here replaced, we've got a main board here replaced. That was an audio issue which we fixed by replacing the main board. Now we had two choices, and I found that I didn't even have to go for the T-con straight away just now, because when you look at this board, yes, like a connector to COFs. COFs are those connectors to the display from this board, yes, so that connects. It's clear here, yes, everything is clear, you cannot see any issues, and we're going all the way along. I've done the visual inspection already, but I want you to see that this side, yes, which is the right hand side of when you look at the display from the front, is okay, you know, like you can't say it's bad. That's why this board is fine, yes, so we don't have to worry. Now we start on the left side of the display when you look in front of the TV, and you can see in a minute or less even, when we will reach certain point, that we've got a problem. Okay, so let's go, let's see, and now you can see the stuff. You see, that's what it is, this section here, this section here. Let's continue this section here. So we didn't have only the problem with the main board, we didn't have only the problem with the the display because of anything else probably, but this. So the change of the colors could be caused by these components. Now the problem only is that we need to clean it up first, yes, so that's what I will do now. I will clean it, I will pause the recording, but you see that visual inspection is really important when you work with a liquid damage. So in most of the cases. Next, look here, that's what I found as well today. Okay, so we're lucky that nothing else have burst. Okay, so that's, believe or not, that's the connector for the background color, background light, I mean. Yes, so we need to switch this TV off now because it's on. You can see that it's on, so we need to switch it off. The light will go off as well because that's the USB light. I will get another. Oh, the light is still on, that's weird. Okay, now it's off. So anyways, I will get a power supply on a USB port to have a better vision here. Clean this one up, I will clean this one up, yes, and I haven't seen anything else. Okay, so these are the two spots where I found as a spillage, and then we know this one is working, so it's no big deal about this one, but we still need to clean it, and hopefully I don't have to open the whole TV, because that would be a lot of work, you know, to go through. So yeah, I'd rather not touch it if it's dry, but I need some IPA, yes, on it, and so I will definitely, you know, like spray on it and rub it with some toothbrush, and then before doing that I will start even with this, because this is quite curious, you know, if that can fix the issue, then we've got this TV fixed, yes. So be right back. Okay, so as we can see, there's no spillage here, yes, anymore, and it's looking quite good actually. Now we need to check if we've got a short anywhere, and so I will try to, I don't know if I can hold you here to be true. Well, I didn't stop the recording. You know what we can do? I will just switch on the TV. Yes, I will just switch on the TV. I will use my probe and I won't be showing you everything, but I wanted to check on this capacitor here if possible. because that should have a, yes, that's 17.5 volts. Here when I'm touching, no, it's not perfect, guys, I know it's 17.5, so it's fine. Yes. Now this one, it's 7.6, 7.5, so that's correct as well. Yes. Now what else can we check? This small one is 1.8, so it's proper. Thank you. Now let's check in another one. That's 8.7, very good. We should have some voltages, I don't remember each one which how much, but as long as they are, it's not zero. 7.6, the last one. So guys, we can risk it and we can just literally take it. You know, we can take it and test it now. So I'll switch off this LED light. I'll move this aside. Now I'm curious, you know, what we will see. Oh, that's flickering. Why it's flickering? It's really flickering. So now there is some issue and we've got some other problem to resolve. Why there is still this this different color, but this LVDS signal here is a problem. This connector, this cuff connector, probably is not connecting anymore. Now the problem only is that because we see all the voltages, we know that some of these voltages don't go anymore to the display, and that's why it might flickering. It's 30 seconds to finish, but it is annoying, guys. What I can do is I can spray a bit of IPA and see if that will resolve, because we know we did what we should do. Yes, but still the same, doesn't change anything. Okay, if we spray that and it doesn't change, and that means we need to look properly on this, because that's only the place where we've touched. Yes, so I need to open everything, take out the frame, and look at the signals coming into that cuff board. Oh, that's off. Yes, TV is off. So this is a connector to the display. So guys, I will record several parts now of it, because I need to take my time, open it, and I need to drop off my son to the nursery. So let me deal with those household issues first, and then I will, you know, get back to this job. See you in the next video. Bye bye.